Hello folks, Jeff Fairley here from KPM. We represent a product here for some 30 plus years. The product is Toyotomi Toyo Stove Laser Heaters. This product is very unique. It operates on oil. Some homes use it as a supplemental heat. Some people use it as their primary heat source. We have over 500,000 of these units being used today. Many of these units were installed by the homeowner themselves. It's a very easy heater to install. We also have contractors out in the field that not only sell the units, but also offer installation. Over the years, I've received an enormous amount of testimonials regarding this Toyo Stove laser heater. Yesterday, I received a call from a woman. She was in her mid to upper 70s. Older home, somewhat drafty, heats with oil, always cold. And she put this heater in. She had it installed in the main room of her house. And she took the time yesterday to call me and tell me she can't believe how much warmer she is than she has been over the years and how efficient and little oil usage that is required to operate this heater. We're going to get in depth with this a little bit. We're going to turn this over to Randy Stone from Toyotomi USA, and he's going to take you through what makes this heater so unique and so efficient.
The vented heater is easy to install. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can install this unit yourself. There's only 3 things you need to worry about: venting, fuel line, and plugging into a 110 outlet. Unlike a typical furnace, it's either on or off. Our unit has 3 stages of burn: high, medium, and low, that it automatically adjusts to based on room temperature. This allows the unit to stay on longer and using just a little bit of fuel. The Toyotomi comes with its own unique direct vent flue pipe. This pipe goes through the wall, and all that is required is a 2 3/4 inch hole to vent to the outside. For those of you that want to install it on your own, installation is incredibly easy. It comes with its own flue pipe, exhaust pipe, and air intake. Just connect it to the back of the unit and you're all set. One of the most common questions that we get is, can I put this unit in my basement? And the answer is, yes, you can. Toyotomi has several different vent options for your laser direct vent heater. Here we have the medium kit for basement installation. Connect up your exhaust pipe, extend it to the height that you need, then connect up your air intake, and then connect your flue to the pipes. And that is all you need to do.
Another venting option is putting this heater in the corner. We've had many customers ask us the way their family room is laid out or where the heater is going, they would like to do it in a corner installation. And Toyotomi has come up with a really unique way. This is available in 2 different sizes here. This is designed to give you the option of putting the heater in those hard to reach places. This heater, in many cases, when you install this heater in the corner, you're going to need a certain angle on your vent pipe, and this is designed to bend. All right, so you can bend this in any different direction you want. This can hook on, and you can use it in several different areas to mount this heater in several different positions, but primarily the flex tube is used for those corner installations. Again, many different ways to vent this heater, and Toyotomi has most every need covered. All the Toyotomi direct vent heaters come with their own vent kit. This is the vent kit. This vent kit is designed to be installed through the wall. This vent kit comes apart. Quick explanation: a 2 3/4 inch hole is drilled through the wall. You have 2 parts of the vent. You have an outside and you have an inside. The outside has an up. You'd slide this through, and then you screw this together in order to seal the vent from the outside and the inside. This gets screwed tight. So you would have your outside vent and your inside portion of the vent. Now, what happens when you have a wall thicker than what your vent will handle? And this happens quite frequently. Many people have 2x4 construction, 2x6 construction. Many of them are cinder blocks. Some have outside brickwork done. That creates a problem. Not so with Toyotomi. What Toyotomi has is they have a vent extension kit, a piece of pipe, a kit that goes in between these two that allow you to extend this vent. Those extensions come in several different sizes. I have one here to show you. Basically, it's an outside air vent that gets screwed on. It's an inside pipe for your actual venting. That slides on. And you can see you just extended your vent upwards of 4 inches. And again, when you're all done, you're going to turn this so this seals. You don't want any outside air drafts coming in. It seals it nice and tight. Very easy, very, very simple installation. Many different venting options. Toyotomi has them all covered for you.
Hooking up the fuel line is very easy. You just require a 3/8 fuel line, gravity feed from your existing oil tank.
What about if I put this heater on the second floor of my home and the tank is down outside on the ground? Well, Toyotomi has the answer to that with a Toyotomi lifter pump. This lifter pump is mounted higher than the existing unit you're trying to operate. This can be mounted on a wall behind it, can be mounted in a closet. This pump will lift the fuel from your existing tank, fill a reservoir, and then gravity feed down to your heater. This is done all automatically. There's no switches, no wiring. This is 110 wired. It plugs into a receptacle. Your 3/8 line comes from the tank to the pump, and a 3/8 line from the pump down to your heater. Very, very simple. Toyotomi has all the answers for you to enjoy this wonderful heater. The Toyotomi family of direct vent heaters come in several different sizes. You're looking to heat your entire home? Maybe the 40,000 BTU units will fit your needs. You remodeled your basement, put a family room down there, or you have an existing drafty family room you're looking to heat, our 22,000 BTU unit will fill that need. Then if you have a real small room, maybe a bedroom, maybe a den, we have this unit available for you. Regardless of what unit you purchase, these Toyotomi heaters come to you at a very reasonable price, easy to install, and are also available in different colors. One thing that we're extremely confident of is the technology in these heaters is so advanced. This is way more advanced than what the furnace is in your home currently. And if you're looking to lower your heat bills and be warmer, I think you guys need to take a look at the Toyotomi family of heaters. Randy, anything you got to add?
You're ready to start saving yourself money? Click here.
Give that thing a click and we'll get you out information on the heater, on pricing, on where availability is, and hopefully answer any questions that you may have down the road. Appreciate your time. Thanks so much.